When you shake it, makes a sound. The board rattles like the cherry. So, the village, they gather around the fire. And so the drums begin to drum and the rattles begin to rattle. Let's just drum and rattle together. Ready? But no one got up and danced. All eyes were fixed on dancing one. She sat there looking down at the ground, not knowing what to do. And then suddenly a strange energy flowed through her, and she had the urge to stand. She stood up, she faced the east, then the south, then the west, then the north. Then she looked to the heavens, then down to the earth, then inward to herself, honoring the spirit of the seven directions, which was their custom. And then she began to dance the one like this. No one moved. All eyes watched her. And then suddenly, that same energy flowed through everyone around the fire, and they all came to their feet. Guys, stand up. Guys, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. And they danced the one with her around the fire. Now, I'm going to ask all of you to dance the one with us as we